It is past time for rules that are fair and transparent. We also knew that it would take some time for the money to get out the door because we're committed to spending it in a way that's effective and transparent. What's clear is that this crisis could have been avoided if Wall Street firms were more accountable, if financial dealings were more transparent, and if consumers and shareholders were given more information and authority to make decisions. We'll continue to hold the relevant companies accountable, not only for being forthcoming and transparent about the facts surrounding the leak, but for shutting it down, repairing the damage it does, and repaying Americans who've suffered a financial loss. But make our financial system more transparent by bringing the kinds of complex trades that helped trigger this crisis, trades in a $600 trillion derivatives market, finally into the light of day. Well, potential abuses by the financial industry and to make sure that you've got all the transparent information you need to make the important financial decisions in your lives. I nominated Richard for this job last summer. Today, as part of the CFPB's Know Before You Owe efforts, students and their parents can get a simple report with the information they need to make informed decisions before taking out student loans. And more than 700 colleges have stepped up to make this information clear and transparent.
Help to close the pay gap by fighting back against pay discrimination, making salaries more transparent so employees know what others are making doing the same job.
I'm committed to building a transparent process where all views are welcome. But I expect that when we enter into an agreement, that agreement is reasonable and transparent. But I do have an unyielding belief that all people yearn for certain things. The ability to speak your mind and have a say in how you are governed. Confidence in the rule of law and the equal administration of justice. Government that is transparent and doesn't steal from the people. The freedom to live as you choose. This new foundation also requires strong, vibrant financial markets, operating under transparent, fairly administered rules of the road that protect America's consumers and our economy from the devastating breakdown that we've witnessed in recent years. To date, roughly a quarter of the recovery plan's funding has been committed. Over 30,000 projects have been approved, and thousands have been posted online as part of our effort to be transparent and accountable when it comes to economic recovery. But I do have an unyielding belief that all people yearn for certain things. The ability to speak your mind and have a say in how you are governed. Confidence in the rule of law and the equal administration of justice. Government that is transparent and doesn't steal from the people. The freedom to live as you choose.